Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and now it's Valentine's time. So now it's time to kind of start getting ideas what kind of cookies, designs you want to do for Valentine's, and hopefully I will show a couple new ones or maybe the ones you've seen around. Most likely, I don't think I'm original on any of those, but maybe it will help you to see how to make it. All right, so I'm gonna do this one will be a two set cookie, and I'm gonna package it in a pretty box. Okay, so I'm gonna do heart shape, and I'm gonna fill it first, let it crust over a little bit, so then I can go back and write a message on that. So that will be my first cookie. And the second cookie will be Mr. Yoda. All right. So again, my cookies, I'm working with royal icing. I'm using meringue powder for mine. I'm going to link um, all my tools in my description box and the recipe that I'm making my royal icing with. Very simple, very easy. For outline, I'm using stiff consistency royal icing, and then I dilute it with water until the consistency I need. So make it for the flooding, it needs to be a little more soupy, and when you put it on a cookie with in a few seconds it needs to go flat, even, no, and don't leave any ripples behind. All right, so that's the idea. So I'm doing some of the shapes and then I let it sit a little bit to crust over, and then I can proceed with my next step like here. So I did the body and a little bit the ear part, and I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit like so with the little magic of the filming. And now I can go back and fill the rest of his ear, the head. For the head I'm using Americolor olive color. All right, and then I'm gonna go back to the color part and pipe it a little more on top so it will be a little raised, so he's not gonna be too flat for us. All right, and at this point I'm just gonna let it sit a little and crust over. All right, so now you can see how he already matte, so he's crusted over. So now I'm gonna go and pipe his eyes with a little light spots like that, and a little face details, the eyebrows and the forehead wrinkles. And for that, you can see it's a little give me hard time, but I think it worked for what I needed. I just used flooding consistency, and I squeezed just lightly to just give him a little detail. All right, and now for the message cookie, I'm just gonna freehand it. Please ignore my dirty hand. I've been all over the place. It's been lots of work, so it's a working hands. But they are all clean. It's not dirt. It's just all kinds of colors. All right, so I'm just gonna freehand the message like that. And I decided to go a little bit with the green, kind of bring the Yoda color to my message cookie as well, and maybe a couple red hearts to kind of tie it all together since it is Valentine. All right, and here's my little box. It's a gold bottom with clear top. I put a little tissue paper and the elastic stretch little ribbon with the bow already tied, and ta-da! So here's one of my sets for the Valentine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!